Hi, I'm Tim Pennington, editor of Products Finishing Magazine, and here's a look at some of the products and services that you'll find on display at the Surfing Conference, which will be held June 3rd through June 5th in Chicago at the Donald Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont. Lusteron Products AS900 series of RoHS and Reach-compliant low-temperature sealants for anodized aluminum coatings is available in both liquid and powder forms. RighTech Fabrications heat exchangers, baskets, racks, and fasteners are made to customer specifications. MacDermid Enthone chemical solutions are used for finishing, cleaning, and coatings to improve the durability and aesthetics of metal and plastics in a range of industries and applications. Price Waldron and Jessup Systems, along with parent company George Cook Sons, designs, manufactures, and installs custom surface finishing equipment servicing the automotive, aerospace and military, agricultural, and industrial marketplaces, as well as job shop businesses. Their automated systems are installed in applications implying electrocoat, liquid and powder coating, plating, phosphating, anodizing, and porcelain enamel. Stop by their booth to be one of the first to see their brand new interactive smart controls design. Dynapower's Key Advantage program provides metal finishing operations with technical assessment of the condition of their rectifier fleets for all makes and models. Technic's spouted bed electroplater is a barrel alternative for small components, while the CDP 2000 is used for controlled depth plating. EPI's eBright 5.0 CU is a formula that solves the immersion problem in copper barrel plating and plates directly onto zinc die cast, and the resulting plating sticks to the casting. Landco's equipment is used in metal finishing, waste treatment, and plating companies. The company assists in buying, selling, or trading of a variety of equipment. You can also get the latest news about surfing and get up-to-date lists of all the exhibitors and speakers by visiting nasfsurfing.com. I'm Tim Pennington with Product Finishing Magazine, and thank you for watching.